Hey guys, working on a Jeep TJ. In today's video, we're changing the rear coil springs, guys. I am gonna show you the quickest, absolute easiest way to change these. Super easy. Let's get into it right away. Okay guys, so obviously the first thing you gotta do is you gotta jack the vehicle up by the frame, not by the axle, right? And make it safe. See, I got a tire with some boards here. I got a tire with some boards under the skid plate, jack on each side. That's the best I could do it, but it is safe. It's lowered onto these wheels, right? So now I'm reading the manual, right? And the manual saying basically you gotta drop the whole entire rear axle to pull these out. That doesn't make any sense to me, guys, whatsoever. Like, I'm looking at these springs here, guys, and I'll tell you right now, all we're gonna do, guys, is I basically unscrewed nothing. All I have is the axle hanging, and I got the vehicle jacked up and the wheels off, right? So, I mean, all I'm gonna use is I got these two spring compressors, guys. You can get these at like Napa for like 50 bucks. And I mean, all we gotta do is just compress this spring just a little bit, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put these on. These are so simple to use, guys. I'll show you how they go on, and we're gonna try it that way. Okay, so see, this is how I got it on. It's pretty straightforward, see? So you tighten these just a little bit, nothing too crazy. Just snug these up. See, just like that. Right, same with the other side. And then all you do is you hold this with a crescent wrench, and then you spin this with the crescent wrench. And you do like, 5 turns on one side, 5 on the other, back and forth, and it will compress the spring. This has to work because, I mean, look at these springs. So these are the ones I'm replacing them with. I bought these used, but they're like mint, brand new looking. These were all rusted. I painted them when I was painting all this. And I mean, this will totally work, guys. Okay, and yeah, I do have a 4-inch lift on this Jeep, but this will work if you have a 3-inch lift, no lift at all. It doesn't matter, right? So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and squish this a bit. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I squished it, and I didn't even squish it a lot. And I mean, look at this. Okay, so yeah, it almost wants to come out. See, the problem is this is in the way here. So no big deal. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little scissor jack underneath the axle, right? And I'm just gonna unbolt this, get it? And then I'll move this shock absorber out of the way. And then I can pull this out, put the new one in, put the shock absorber back. Okay, let's see if that works. I'm gonna remove this, just a nut and a bolt. Let's do it. Okay guys, check it out. So I removed that. Okay, let's see if this will come out now. Look at that, absolutely no problem whatsoever. Everything's looking good here, guys. Okay, so all I'm gonna do now is remove the spring compressor from that, compress the new spring a little bit, put it back in, guys, pretty straightforward, reattach that. So there you go, guys. Hopefully I saved you some time. This is an entire series of restoring this Jeep, guys. Click on the playlist. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe. Till next time, everybody.